Alright, it is now the very first time I'm actually getting out of the house to go do parkour since the very lackluster trampoline park that I forgot I went to. I was kind of making like a whole story and trying to catch up the other day when it was raining and tricking. I was like, oh yeah, I did this, I did that, and I totally forgot about how awful that trampoline park was. It was super, super bad. But it rained again today, not like you can really tell, and it's all super bright. But why am I at 2.8? That's fine. That's okay. Nope. That means I'm zoomed in, right? Oh, okay, there you go. 1.8. There you go. I have my microphone, and I have a 15-minute drive ahead of me. Not too bad. Just been real lazy, not wanting to drive that far and everything. And it's not that hot, so it's not too bad. But I have that ahead of me, so just kind of I'm in the darkness. Why are you not changing? But I got the microphone on, got the Sony, got the DJI. I think I have a tripod in my trunk. But that's about it. Let's start schmoving on. Alright, we made it. It was kind of a strange drive. It was lots of like something and then a lot of nothing. And then a lot of something and then a lot of nothing. So it was kind of strange. But let me adjust that. There you go. But we made it here, and the spot that I wanted to go is exactly what I wanted it to be. Just a bunch of undercover spot. Mostly to get away from the sun, because the sun is beaming. I could feel it on the back of my neck. I'm trying to get... There's a pool, so that's cool, but I think you have to go in through the rec center, get like a pass, and then go in there. I heard something about there being a pool with a diving board. That sounds interesting, but I'm happy no one's here, because I could kind of just vibe out on my own. These tables are kind of far apart. It's kind of interesting. And this one's diagonal and huge, but the rest of them are like square. So, I don't know. I'm just going to try and do some good flowy stuff, but I'm going to kind of warm up for a second, drink my water, and then we're going to move on from there. So this park is kind of, it's a children's park, right? There's ceiling fans, and I'm not sure how I didn't notice that. That's kind of strange. So I think I can actually fix it. I don't have any tools or anything, but it should be pretty easy. I mean, it's pretty... Come on, focus. Focus on this. There we go. So, I mean, it's just off. Ah! I'm touching the spider web. So, let's been popular is like jumping and then jumping back really fast. So I'm just gonna try and do that just a little bit faster. It's just I don't do tacks or tic tacs or whatever the fuck they're called nowadays. Well, you do like a jump going forward and then redirect sideways. So that way and then back. So that's something. Alright, well that was interesting, but that was kind of weird to work through. I've never done something like that. Like, first and foremost, I suck at running. And then, it's literally like, boom, boom. And then I have to hit like a super turn, and then I hit that jump. Kind of blind, but that's not too bad. Not too bad. It's just kind of different. It felt real strange on like this area. So it's new. It's definitely a new muscle that I'm working out. But I don't know. I'm pretty good. It's getting a little hot, but I'm gonna see what else I can do. I was thinking of doing like some fake rollerblading things, just because it's kind of what I want to learn how to do. Like the tricks themselves, I don't think the actual like fake rollerblading, walking backward thing is actually like a viable thing. But I think it'll be fun. Something new, something different. So. Moving on. Alright, well that's it for right now. I'm getting tired and a little too sweaty, but I was trying a couple different concepts. As you saw there toward the end, it's not great, but I'm trying redirections, so your body spins and then you twist it back the other direction, which is kind of strange. And then the other thing was this redirection, so jumping backward basically. That's pretty much all it is. It's like how quick and fast can you jump backward. But I'm getting tired, I'm getting sweaty, I'm getting stared at by a bunch of people, so it's making me feel just a little uncomfortable, just because I'm doing different, like new things. Nothing wrong with them, nothing wrong with me, just makes me self-conscious. So I'm gonna get out of here. And I say it was a pretty fun session. My legs are a little tired, my thighs are a little tired, my knees are a little tired, like everything kind of worked out. So I'm just gonna pack up, wipe off a bunch of sweat, and then move on out of here. So that's it for today. Alright.